What's popping, guys? I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So let me open it up and show you guys that this is actually working, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. So let me just join a game just so you guys can see. This is super cool. So let's just wait for it to load here. As you can see, we have the full Delta Executor. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super cool. So if you guys want to get it, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So this is super cool. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So this is super wild. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Delta Executor for your device. So this is super cool, guys. As you can see, I've tested it, and this is the real Delta Executor, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So this is super wild. So let me just show you guys how to do it. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website. So it's called blocksnova.net. So once you're on the site, there's going to be a button that says Get Delta. So just go ahead and press that, and you can read all about it here, as you can see. But now it's just going to ask for your username. So let me just go ahead and type that in. So let me just put it in right here. Make sure you guys don't do any spelling mistakes. So after this, it's just going to search the database for our account. So I'm going to press the button that says Yes, Connect. And now it's going to put the Delta Executor into our device. So as you can see, it says Import Delta Executor. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to press Continue. You don't have to choose a script unless you're like technological. But I'm just going to wait for this to load here. As you can see, it says API connecting. So let's just give it a second just so this loads. So let's see if it works. All right, so it says API connecting. So let's just see if this actually goes through, and we should be good to go. So as you can see, it says I'm not a robot. So you just want to go ahead and press that. All right, and let's see if it works. All right, so it's verifying. So it worked. So I was verified. All right, so this is super cool, guys. So peace out. That's how I get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. This is super wild. So if this video works for you, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. It's awesome. So you can get the fully working Delta Executor. As you can see, we have all the settings here. So this is super cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. There's no jailbreak, no computer needed. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So this is super wild. So be sure to try it out for yourself, get the word out. And that's how I get Delta Executor for your device. So this is super cool. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. Peace out.